Imagine, we want to automate an escape room and we have two source documents. Scenario. Building plan. Plan consists of 3 game rooms. And the Game Master room. In our tutorials we will show step by step how to organize the process of escape room automation. First you should have a convenient objects name system. These names will be used in the future for wiring, plugging devices and gameflow programming. We have a wiki guide with a recommended naming system for typical escape room devices. Electromagnetic locks, lighting, buttons and switches, touchless sensors, complex props and gadgets, audio, and so on. We created a custom escape room scenario specially for our tutorials, to show how to automate an escape room from the very beginning. Pause this video for a few minutes and read the scenario to understand the game flow and the atmosphere. This scenario assumes the usage of most escape room typical electronics, and we expect this is the best way for getting started with Queen. If you are ready, let's begin. On the left part of the screen you can see electronic devices names in accordance with our wiki guide. On the right part of the screen you can see electronic devices, located on the building plan. You can create such plan in a simple editor like Paintbrush. So, we have the following rooms. Game Master Room, Hall or Entrance Room, Rooms A, B, C, Game Rooms. Also we have 3 interior doors. Let's begin with electronics. Here you can see main control system with built-in sound amplifier. Queen control system is the hardware complex for an escape room electronics control. Main control component is a Queen board. Control system contains also processor module, sound amplifier, power supply modules, power strips, circuit breakers, terminal bus, and so on. We have 3D model of our control system. You can download it and view in the SketchUp application to understand internals in details. Place CCTV video recorder in the Game Master room as well. Game Master PC or laptop is used as a main control panel. Let's place audio and video devices. TV will be used for the briefing video and for giving the clues. Place sound speakers to the different rooms' corners. Place cameras and microphones to provide maximum game area view and hearing. Note this plan will be used for the wiring in the future, therefore specify the height of the cable output in the brackets. We use millimeters and recommend to take positive values if the output is measured from the floor, or negative if the value is measured from the ceiling. This means, the camera's cable must be output right from the ceiling. This means, the Game Master PC cable must be output 1 meter from the floor. Let's go on. Start button allows Game Master to start the game. Emergency exit buttons are required components of any escape to allow people leave any room in case of fire, for example, or if somebody may feel bad. In order to have a nice atmospheric inside we used a color dimming RGB LEDs. Each room has its own lighting spot. This is chest highlighting LED strip. Here is a ultraviolet lamp. Place laser here. Next components are the electromagnetic locks. These of them are used for locking the interior doors. And 2 of them are used for locking the chest caches. Place 2 reeds near the door for puzzle with applying statuettes. Place here the RFID reader, this is as the amulet identifier. Photoresistor for the guardian blind riddle will be located here. Here is the noise sensor for the screaming detection. Here are a pressure sensors for bricks push detection. Also we place 5 stand-alone gadgets with built-in riddle inside. For scary effect put the smoke generator here. So, we have two source documents. Game flow scenario and the building plan. As a result, we got the technician plan and devices list with the cable output heights. All the links to the documents are given in the video description, including our wiki guides.